Hi guys, this is gonna be the world's worst intro, but I forgot to film one before, so I'm filming it now, like a month later, and my hair's messy and I'm in my pajamas. But welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a Q&A while I do my makeup, and so if you want to see me answer some questions and do some makeup, then continue watching.
2, 3, funk it.
Okay, so I already did my eyebrows off camera because it takes a while to do, and I primed my eyelids, so I'm just gonna move straight onto eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna go in with the Beauty Bay EYN Bright Matte Palette. I'm going to be using the shade Daydream, and I'm just gonna be doing a little shape on my eyelid. While I do that, I'm going to answer questions. First question is, when did you start makeup? I started makeup, well, I've done makeup my whole life, but I started and got into makeup when I was 13 because I was allowed to wear it out. But I didn't really do creative makeup until I was probably 14 or 15, maybe sophomore year, and I'm a junior now. So yeah, it's kind of in this shape. I don't know what you call that, like a full cut crease without the eyeshadow, and it's not cutting because you're not cutting the crease, but just around your eye shape, I guess. So now, next question, how are you so good at makeup? I practice makeup a lot, and I have not always been good at makeup. I don't know, I guess I'm kind of good at makeup, but I definitely have practiced a whole lot, and I will sit down and do makeup for 5 hours. I'm also very artistic in general. I really like art. I feel like I don't really show my art or paintings, but art is a very big part of my life. And I want to go to college for art and business. I'm just gonna use the Tartiest liner for this and just make little shapes of cheetah print. I'm gonna answer another question. How old are you? And I am 16. Many people think that I'm not 16 and they think I'm older, but I'm 16. So I'm just drawing in these shapes and some little dots. The next question is, do you have a boyfriend? Yes, I do. We've been dating for almost 2.5 years. And I love him very much, and he's very supportive of my makeup stuff. But yeah, I do. And along with that, someone asked if I'm going to get married to my boyfriend. I mean, that's kind of a really hard question to ask a 16-year-old, because things happen, but obviously I want to get married to him, but that's so far away. That is many years away. So I did all the outlines for the black, and now I'm going to add in some white. And I actually really hate this liner. It's by Rimmel. I'm just gonna put these in the middle of the things. And now I'm just gonna outline it all, which might be a bad idea, but next question is your favorite thing about makeup. My favorite thing is definitely seeing the end result. I also really like blending my eyeshadow. Okay, so I know it kind of looks weird, but I kind of like it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing for my eyes. Now after 5 million years, I get to move on to my face. I've also been wanting to try that one TikTok trend with the setting powder and the stuff before to make your foundation look really good, so I'm gonna try that today. So first you moisturize, and I'm just moisturizing with the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. It's a really weird name, but it moisturized my face good. So now you put translucent powder over that, and I'm using the Huda Beauty, or I feel some people say Huda and some say Huda. I always say Huda. Maybe I'm saying it wrong, but I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty setting powder. Kind of putting this all over my face. And now I'm gonna use the MAC Fix Plus setting spray. And let that dry. Now I'm just gonna use the Benefit Professional primer because I really like this primer. And I think it makes my skin look really good. This feels so weird putting primer back over like translucent powder, so I really hope I'm not doing it in the wrong way. I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter foundation today. There's a hair on that. Ew. I'm gonna answer another question. I keep forgetting. Do you wear makeup every day? No. I do makeup most days, but like creative makeup. I don't really, like I used to wear makeup out every single day. Or I used to even wear just like eyebrows and mascara, but now I don't even do that. I really don't wear makeup outside of my house that often because I'm just really lazy and...
Cool. One cheetah print on the eyes? Nice.
So next question, how many lipsticks do you have? That's a good question because I have a lot. Some of these aren't even in here either. I have these, and then a bunch scattered all over. Makeup collection has been like growing dramatically because brands have started sending me stuff, which I'm really thankful for because I get to try all kinds of like new products and discover like new products that I would not know about before. So I probably have like 50 lipsticks, I want to say. Personally, I don't like this makeup hack. I feel like it makes my skin look good, but it's very, like, it doesn't look amazing, and it's very drying. Like, it looks good. I have foundations that look better. But now I'm going to use, where's that? The Tarte Shape Tape. So next question, do you think that you would be this famous? I don't think I'm super famous right now. I have a lot of followers on TikTok. Like I have like 400,000. That's a lot and I'm really grateful for that. Like, no, I never thought that would happen, honestly, at all. And I'm really thankful it did because it finally felt like all the work like I put in, like, worked. And now I can finally pursue hopefully a career in makeup, and hopefully like my account will keep growing, and like I try really hard and everything, so it just like feels good to finally have it pay off because I spend so much time on makeup. But I'm gonna set it now with the same powder, dabbing. I'm not gonna bake or anything. Next question. Favorite highlight. I really like the Ofra highlighters. I only have one and I have it in the shade Pillow Talk. They're so gorgeous, like, and it has just such a good highlight. I also really like Anastasia highlighters a lot. Okay, so like I went away to like do my TikTok transitions, and in the meantime I like did this black liner under my eye, and it looks weird now, but I have a feeling it won't look weird after I add lashes and everything. But now I'm going to contour. I'm just going to contour with the Tarteist Pro Glow palette. I don't really use this that much to contour, but it was like chilling right there, so I figured why not. So the next question is, what is my final goal with makeup? My final goal with makeup is, I don't know, like I don't really have a final goal where it's just like, once I reach that, like I don't have any more goals, because I guess it's like I just have one goal and then I accomplish that and then I go on to the next. I guess like my biggest goal and like the biggest thing I want to achieve is I want to be able to create makeup as a job for me. Like I don't want to do makeup on other people, because I do makeup on other people and I like it, but it's not my real passion. My real passion is doing makeup on myself. So I think it'd really be cool to like become an influencer, which is obviously something I can't plan on, which is why like I'm just hoping that it happens. I think that'd be really cool. But I also, if that doesn't work out, like I just want people to notice my makeup, I guess. So I'm just kind of contouring. I feel like Michael Jackson. I don't know why. Fully Fire sent me some of their stuff. They sent me some of their eyeshadows and lipsticks, which I'm going to use eventually, but they also sent me like some blushes and just things to contour, which is really sweet of them, and I've been excited to try this out. I don't know if I want to use the illuminating blush or I'm going to use the illuminating one. And it's really pretty. It's in the shade Euphoria, so that's cool. What is my biggest fear? My biggest fear is probably I'm really scared of bugs. But also, like, silence is really scary for me. I don't really know why. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with the Beauty Bay EYN Bright Matte Palette and use the same blue, and I'm going to go over, like, here. And I'm just going to draw, like, the cheetah print on there. Who is your role model? I think I have a lot of role models. Probably, like, obviously my parents, because they, like, taught me to be me and stuff, and taught me my morals. And also my older sister, because I always looked up to her and still do, and she does a lot to help me with my makeup stuff. This next question is kind of similar to that one, and it is, who inspires you the most? Abby Roberts obviously inspires a lot of people, and she also really inspires me with my looks. And so does her sister Charlotte. And also, Hey Sophie Makeup really inspires me. And just so many artists, like I'll just see something that'll inspire me. Those are probably the biggest ones. The best cheap eyeshadow palette. This palette was pretty cheap. I think it was like $30 or something, and it was so worth it. I love this eyeshadow palette. All Beauty Bay eyeshadow palettes are so good, and it's so pigmented, and it has so many different colors. So now I'm just gonna add in the little white spots. I really like how that looks actually. Next question. How long does each look take? Usually a look can take anywhere from probably 2 hours at minimum, but usually it's more than 2 hours to 5 or 6 hours. It can take a really long time. I really enjoy doing it though. Then I'm just gonna add in the white. How much money do you spend on makeup? A lot. Truthfully, I've spent a lot of money on makeup. It's kind of something I really like to do, so I invest in it. Now I'm gonna go in with the Tarte mascara. And next question is, do you go to school? Yes, I am not famous enough to not go to school. I still go to school every day, and I play 2 sports. I play volleyball and softball, and softball is another one of my hobbies, just like makeup. Like, invest as much time in softball as I do in makeup, which I feel like a lot of people don't know about, especially on my makeup account. But like, I usually, right now I'm on injury, so I haven't had to, but usually even off season I'm playing 4 or 5 times a week, and I play travel ball and all of that. So I'm a pitcher too, so I go to lessons a lot. So yeah. I didn't have black or gray lipstick before because I just didn't really feel a need for it, but Folly Fire sent me black and gray, so I was gonna do black on the top and gray on the bottom. Went with the gray lipstick, which is in Weekend Zombie, and this is in Mosh Pit Gal. I feel like this is more blue, so I don't think I'm gonna use this actually. I think I'm only gonna do the top lip because Abby Roberts did this, and I kind of like the vibe, like, I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to put on some lashes. But the last question is if I have a job. And honestly, at this point, I kind of consider makeup as a job because, like, I am making money from it. Like, I don't have time to have an actual job. I'm making a good amount of money from makeup right now. And just from, like, song features and stuff. So it's basically a job. These lashes are from Artsy Lashes, and they're so gorgeous. I'm just gonna stick that on there. It literally just stuck to my eye. Like, that was like the easiest lash to put on. And like, that's the look. So I really hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for my next videos. I'm gonna try to post more frequently. Unfortunately, softball season's coming up, so I don't know how much I'll be able to post. But I really hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoyed me answering some of your guys' questions. And yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!